my dudes, it's Caitlin, and today we are going to be deep cleaning and rearranging my room. So it's gonna be like a mini room makeover. So basically, I saw a TikTok a few months ago that said something about like your room being against the wall is a sign of immaturity. Almost like adults have their beds in the middle of the wall, like in the middle of the room, and younger people have their beds against the wall. And then I started thinking, like, my bed's always been against a wall. Like, why would that be a sign of being an adult? And then, not saying it's bad to have your bed against a wall, but it was sort of like in my brain, like I was just thinking about it a lot. And then one of my friends the other day was like, oh, having your bed in the middle instead of against the wall is a sign of being an adult, because if you have like two people in the bed, you don't have to climb over each other to get out. Like each person can get off on their side of the bed. And it made so much sense. I'm not gonna have anybody in my bed with me, but I wanted to see what my room would look like with my bed in the middle. I think it would look a lot better. I'm gonna show you guys before and after shots. I'm going to decide after I rearrange it if I'm going to keep it or not. I just feel like it would make my room look more adultish, more put together. The space would be filled better. I won't have like as much floor space, like open, empty space, but I don't really need it. We're gonna move around my room I'm gonna deep clean first, move it around, and then figure it out from there. As I go, I guess this is gonna be vlog style slash not vlog style. I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna rearrange my room, see how it looks, and show you guys the before and afters. So as you guys know, every month we're gonna have a charity slash organization of the month and a small creator of the month. I'm still working on this month's, so I'm just going to have last month's in the description below since it started partway through the month anyway. I think it'll be fine. So the organization slash charity of the month is the United Negro College Fund from last month, and then the small creator is still Elias. She makes lifestyle, health, and fitness videos. Definitely check her out. She's one of my friends and she's doing so well. So with all that being said, I'm going to show you guys the current state of my room, what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna get to cleaning, organizing, and rearranging. Okay guys, so here is the before. So my room is really messy right now. As you guys know, I moved up here a couple months ago and just haven't really found a place for all of my clutter yet. So I have my art area that's messy, my desk area that's messy. This area over here is for Apollo. It has like a carpet that he can lay on and then a little thing to jump up, and his food and litter, which everything I'm not going to use I'm putting in my walk-in closet because I barely use that. My clothes usually stay in that trunk. So the walk-in closet is sort of a storage space for all of my college stuff, and I'm going to put everything that I'm not using in there. So there's also this area for Apollo. It has his litter box, his beanbag he sleeps on, and then extra pillows and blankets if I have a sleepover. I can get rid of some of those though because one of them is like a heated blanket and it's hot as balls up here, so don't really need that. I have my chest with my clothes in it, and then I have my cabinet with my printer stuff. That's a ton of stuff I have to go through down there that I can probably put in the closet. I sort of want to make that an area for my filming supplies and stuff. In there, I have a ton of clothes I need to get rid of, things like that. A twin mattress for when people spend the night. As you guys know, I got new bedding. I'm gonna wash it. I got it like a month ago and it's well overdue for a wash. So we're gonna wash the bedding. So my plan is to, this room, by the way, disclaimer, people on my channel know this room is really old. The carpet's older than me, which is why it's so stained. Most of the staining is like right here, as you can see, so my bed will be moved here over it. So the plan is move my bed and the chest to the middle under the windows, and then move this long dresser to the left of the bed. So yeah, I think that'll look pretty good. So yeah, bed here, this carpet over there, that dresser over there, this chest in the middle with the bed. And I'm gonna clean up my room too so it doesn't look as messy. Over here I have my mirror. I have this area is like my filming area, but it's really, really messy right now. That's Apollo's favorite spot to lay. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my desk in the same spot, I think, just because it works out really well there, and it doesn't really fit in any of the cubbies, so it's not like I can move it really anywhere else. But the bed is gonna be in the middle of the room. So here's a before, and we're gonna have an after shot in the same space, hopefully. And you guys can tell me if it looks more adultish or not. I guess I'm feeling like I want to look a little more adult in my room. So now that I've given you guys the grand tour, it is time to pick up, clean things, organize things. I'm not sure how in like deep cleaning, I'm not sure like how deep cleaning, how do I word this? I'm not sure exactly how deep I'm going to clean my room. I'm going to try and like vacuum wash things like that. So hopefully this will be some motivation for those of you who need to clean your messy room. I am adding it right now. And with all that being said, I'm gonna start with the comforter and my bedding and stuff and wash that. I'm not washing the sheets because I don't sleep under my comforter. I sleep on top of my comforter. So those sheets have not even been used yet. So I'm gonna do that and then start organizing, cleaning, stuff like that. And let's get into the montage of cleaning. Okay, sheets and stuff are in the washer and the comforter, and now I have, you know, my duvet cover and my sheets that I haven't used yet. And yeah, time to pick up and vacuum and such. Okay, so theoretically I could move stuff now, but first I'm going to vacuum the floor and wipe off like the table, the mirror, things like that, clean them, and then I'll probably like organize what's in my trunk too, just because I want to wait for the bedding to be finished washing before I like move the furniture, because I want to be able to like make the bed once I move it. Probably organize the cabinet that's over there too, and then move the bed and the desk dresser thing. Okay, so I guess I forgot I actually did organize this a little while ago. Thought it was messier, but it's not, so yeah, this is all set. And these can go in dirty laundry if I can throw it that far. I tried. Okay, so I want to organize these two cabinets. The top one isn't too bad, but the bottom one is. So yeah, I'm going to start with the top cabinet and then move to the bottom. And I'm sorry if I look sweaty. I'm sweating my ass off because I can't have the AC on when I'm filming. So it's pretty hot up here. Okay, so that cabinet's taken care of, and now I'm going to take care of my boxes and my shoes. I think I'm actually going to put my shoes in there because I have leftover clothes in there, and I really only wear like one pair of shoes, so. Okay, so now that this area is pretty much clean and organized, it's time for me to move on to this area. I'm just going to do a really quick cleanup of it. Okay, so this is the pile of stuff that needs to go in the closet. It's sort of blocking my pathway, but I'll figure it out. So I think I'm getting rid of the beanbag because Apollo would sleep in it when it was colder outside, but he doesn't really sleep in it anymore just because it's so warm up here. So, okay, I think I've got everything organized, and now it's time to vacuum. So in the process, I've messed up this desk a lot more, messed up this corner, and then messed up over there. This is sort of my crap side of the room just because I have stuff from moving up here, but I do have that pile of stuff that needs to go in the closet. So I'm gonna get the vacuum, empty it, and then vacuum the whole room. Okay, so I cleaned this out and I'm sweating. It's so hot outside, like in the 90s. I'm wearing a long sleeve because I like this shirt, but I'm sweating. So I'm gonna get a move on vacuuming, and I'm gonna sweat a lot more. Okay, I'm sweating my butt off. I am sort of getting tired of cleaning. I wanted to organize like literally everything in my room, but I'm too excited and I really just want to move my furniture. And my bedding is almost done. It's in the dryer, so it should be ready by the time I move everything around. So I organized a little bit, but I just want to jump to moving the bed because I want to see what it's going to look like and I'm really excited about it. Hopefully I like it, because if not, then this video is going to be me like cleaning and moving around my furniture and then just literally moving it back to where it was. Ooh, I'm sweaty. Okay. Yeah, it's time to move the bed and the dresser or table, whatever it's called. I'm excited. Ooh. I'm so sweaty. Puppy! Found my cat. Apollo was under the bed and I didn't realize, and I moved it and he was probably so confused, like half asleep. I know it's messy, puppy, right in your corner, I'm sorry. Anyway, I got the bed moved. Now time to move the chest and the table. I would vacuum over here too, but I'm feeling really freaking lazy and I want to get my stuff all together because I think my bedding's done. I have to go check. I don't know if I should put the bedding on first or decorate first. I think I like it in the middle. We'll see. We'll see. My bedding is clean. It's going to be a little wrinkly because I accidentally left it in there and it cooled down. And I didn't end up washing this because I didn't want it to get ruined because it has like the pom-poms and stuff. My blanket and comforter and stuff are washed, so time to put it all back together. That was the last pillow, so now the hard part is getting my duvet into my duvet cover, which I'm not looking forward to. Puppy, you like that new spot for you? Not as hot as the beanbag, huh? Okay, so I got my duvet cover on. That took forever. It took me like 10 minutes. And now I'm gonna put on the pillows and stuff and rearrange it. Okay, got my bedding together. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna end up using this. This will just be extra. And now it's time to get that decorated, maybe that wall, and then, you know, like clean up this stuff. Okay, got that carpet down. Sorry, it's a little gloomy. I think we're ready for a reveal. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Sorry it's gloomy, but I like it, guys. I really, really like it. I was worried I wouldn't like it. I still have to take care of this stuff, but I'm honestly just gonna do it later because I'm sweating and I want to turn my AC on and stop filming. But I think I really love it. Let me know if you guys like it, and if you like it better this way or the way it was before. And if you think it looks more adultish, because I think it does. I think altogether it like really ties in the room and makes it more filled out. Okay guys, so in cleaning half of my room, or maybe like 1/3 of my room, I messed up the other 2/3 and I need to clean that up. I don't really want to film it because I'm sweating and I want to turn on my AC and not have to worry about filming all that. It's gonna take me a long time to do. I mainly just wanted to focus on the rearranging of my room and show you guys like my new setup. So let me know in the comments below if you guys think that my room looks more mature now that the bed's in the middle. I think now that I'm 21, it's time to take my bed away from the wall, you know? I just feel like it's time. So no hate to anyone who has their bed against the wall. I liked it against the wall too, and it's gonna take some getting used to having it in the middle, but I just wanted to switch things up and I wanted to see if it would make my room look more mature if I had my bed in the middle of the wall. I'm sweating. I definitely need to finish cleaning up and then shower. I appreciate you guys watching with all of my heart, and make sure to comment below if you made it to the end of the video. Love you guys so much. Love you with all of my heart, and I will see you guys very soon in another video. Peace out, guys.